What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Cloud 9 by Beach Bunny on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial I upload here on YouTube, I also do have the ukulele play along for this song, which is a video with the chords and lyrics on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. So it's a super easy play along video to follow after you watch this one, so highly recommend. Everything will be linked down below in the description, also in the top of the comments, so definitely go check out that video. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into these chords. Luckily for us, this song only has 4 chords. As always with every ukulele tutorial, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So with that being said, the first chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play the C chord is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the bottom string, which is going to be the first string. So first string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over the 4th string, which is the top string. So 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So again, your fingers are occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. Awesome. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. And last but not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then finally you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those were all 4 strings that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play. And now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming. As always, I'm going to teach you 2 different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I love this song. I love it. I'm always hearing it on TikTok. It's absolutely amazing. I just learned the chords, but I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. I don't want to add any strumming patterns into the mix. I just want to get through the song. I love it. I got you. So the first way that you're going to play this song is just going to be with an easy down strum. So you can either strum down with your thumb or with your pointer finger, but if you're just starting out, I would recommend to start with your thumb, and you're just going to glide over all 4 strings. And if you feel like your thumb is getting caught, it's because you're probably pressing down too hard. You just want to glide over all 4 strings. So have the G chord down, and as soon as you see a chord change, you're just going to strum down, and it'll sound just as amazing. And again, if you do want to go to the Patreon page, I do have a Patreon page. I'll link that in the description below, where you can get extra stuff as well. And it's supporting this channel, so if you do want to go check it out, if you've learned anything on this channel and you want to help support, again, this channel, how many times can I say channel? That will be linked down below. It's just my Patreon page. It's $5 or less, and you get access to a bunch of other things. So again, that will be linked down below. But again, you're just going to do an easy down strum when you see a chord change. Alright, so the second way that we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and actually how I played it in the full play along video. Again, that video will be linked in the description below, also linked in the top of the comments. It's already live on the YouTube channel, so again, If you want to go check out that video after this video, highly recommend it. But the strumming pattern that we're going to do for majority of the song is going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And when I say we're going to do that majority of it, it's because there's going to be a section where it goes from C to D, and it kind of changes a little bit quicker. But again, majority of the song is going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And again, it's just going to be down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, until that section where it goes, I feel like somebody, and it goes, somebody, so C to D, and that strumming pattern is going to be a down, up, up, down, up, and then down, up, up, down, up. So again, C gets the first down, up, up, down, up, and then D, down, up, up, down, up. So I'll put the lyrics and chords on screen so you can kind of see where we're gonna go. So let's start off, but when he loves. So we'll start off with that sentence and we'll start off with G, and that's gonna get the down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, until we get to the I feel like somebody. Then it changes to the second strumming pattern. So I'll just go ahead and do it through. So in 3, 2, 1, but when he, and then D, and then F, and then C. So again, you hear that change in strumming when you get to C and then D. So again, we'll do that one more time. G with this strumming pattern. D, F, and then C. So again, you can hear that in the strumming pattern, and again, everything will be on screen. But again, if you just want to do a regular down strum, it'll sound absolutely amazing. But I highly recommend that you push yourself a little bit further and add that strumming pattern where it just goes down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And again, it'll sound absolutely amazing. And again, I highly recommend that you push yourself and practice. Again, everything takes practice. You will definitely love the song as soon as you get that strumming pattern down. And again, it's a little bit different to what we've done previously, which is with the island strum, which is the down, down, up, up, down, up. But this strumming pattern absolutely sounds amazing with the song. So I highly recommend that you practice and practice and practice until you get it, and let me know in the comments when you finally do get that strumming down. And that is it. Those are the two different ways you can play the song on the uke. I also do want to quickly say thank you so much to Enya Ukulele for making an absolute beauty of a uke. Look at this cherry blossom flower design on the headstock. This is a tenor size mahogany uke. I absolutely love it. If you're not into the tenor sizes and you want a little bit sized down, they do have this also available in concert size, which is the size down from a tenor. Highly recommend. The sound is absolutely amazing. And the details, the gold details with the orange and obviously the cherry blossom flower on the headstock, and it's just absolutely amazing. And again, it has that mahogany wood, so it has a rich sound to it. If you do want to go check out this uke, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out the Amazon page, read more reviews, and just get more info on it. I absolutely love it. I think I want to get the concert size as well, just because this is definitely a staple in my collection. So again, link will be in the description below for this Enya tenor ukulele. Alright, so we learned the chords and a couple different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Cloud 9 by Beach Bunny on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, if you haven't already. Also, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all the new family members who have joined and hit that red subscribe button below. Welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam in the YouTubes, in my opinion. Thank you so much for hitting that red subscribe button and joining the Uke fam. Also, if you do want to check out any of the links that I've mentioned in this video, links will be in the description below. Make sure to hit that show more button and it will expand the description and all the links to everything from the uke that I was playing to the merch for this channel, and also to the links to all of my socials, which is just at Ricky Somborn, links to Patreon, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram is all gonna be down below. Make sure to click that, add me on your most used social. Thank you so much for watching. I truly can't thank you enough, and all the support. Make sure to leave a comment, like the video, and share it with your friends. It would absolutely help a lot. Truly can't thank you enough, and help us get pushed into that YouTube algorithm, because it's what we need to do to grow this channel. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.